Today we continue our tour of Las Vegas hotels. Next stop, Park MGM on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, it's Travelin' Joe. Today we're going to be taking a tour of Park MGM in Las Vegas, Nevada. Park MGM is located near the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip and is operated by MGM Resorts. There are several great dining and entertainment options at the hotel. If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. The guest drop-off point is at the front of the hotel along with the taxi stand. As you step into the lobby, you'll immediately be struck by the modern and elegant design. Dazzling chandeliers illuminate the space with a warm, inviting glow. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. As always, I recommend mobile check-in. You can either use your cell phone as a key or print one right here at the kiosk. There are also check-out kiosks located, or you can check out on the TV from your room. There's also a special VIP check-in area for MGM Rewards members. You must have a status of gold or higher. A bell desk is also available in case you need to check your luggage. There's also a concierge available as well. Okay, we are all checked in and it's time to head to the elevators and go up to our room. Our room is located on the 5th floor of the hotel. My room was the Park MGM King. It features a king-size bed, has a maximum guest capacity of 2, and is 406 square feet. The hotel has just under 3,000 guest rooms, including 259 luxury suites. The room featured a blend of modern and classic design. As many of you probably know, Park MGM was once the Monte Carlo Hotel. The hotel was totally renovated between late 2016 and 2018 and was rebranded Park MGM. The room features a flat-screen TV as well as a minibar. The closet has your in-room safe, a chest of drawers, your ironing board, iron, and luggage rack. There was no other dresser in the room, so this was the only place to store your clothes. There's one large door that slides between the closet and the bathroom. The bathroom was quite nice. It featured an oversized vanity mirror with a single sink vanity. The bathroom was modern and sleek, with green highlights throughout. The room is large enough so that you'll never feel cramped for space. There's also a spacious standing shower with glass doors and green ceramic tile. Towels, hair dryer, shampoo, and conditioner are all supplied. The view faced west, and I had a great view with the T-Mobile Arena, home of the Stanley Cup champion Golden Knights. And of course, at nighttime, it even looked better. Okay, that's the room. Now let's go downstairs and check out the casino. 102,000 square feet gaming area features approximately 900 slot machines. In addition, there are over 60 live table games. Slots are spread out throughout the casino floor, including in most of the bars, which have bar-top video poker machines. Park MGM's remodeled casino floor is purposely not too far removed from its Monte Carlo roots, including the refined sparkling chandeliers, intricate crown molding, and stained glass ceiling. Please note that Park MGM Casino is now a smoke-free casino. In addition to slot machines, you'll find a wide range of table games ranging from blackjack to baccarat. There's also a high-limit table area. You'll enjoy roulette, blackjack, and baccarat, all under the historic Tiffany glass ceiling. The room also features a full-service bar. There's also a high-limit slots room. The room offers a selection of over 50 games and has its own dedicated cage and host office. Minimum is $1 and maximum is $100. Also located on the casino floor is BetMGM Sportsbook and Bar. In addition to placing wagers, you'll be able to experience all your favorite events on several large-screen TVs. There's also a full-service bar, and a snack bar. And speaking of bars, there are several bars and lounges located on the casino floor. The West Bar features a beautiful chandelier along with multiple TV screens and video poker. The bar is located in the center of the action. Mama Rabbit Bar is Las Vegas's definitive mezcal and tequila destination, featuring Vegas's largest collection of tequila and mezcal. DJs and reoccurring artists perform from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. every Friday and Saturday night. Juniper Cocktail Lounge is a stylish lounge featuring progressive gin-based cocktail program with classic drinks presented and prepared in an avant-garde fashion. The vibe is warm and welcoming. The bar is open every day from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Restaurants on the casino floor include Bavette's Steakhouse. This steakhouse embraces French flair without the formality. Lala Noodles serves Pan-Asian cuisine with mouth-watering noodles as the star of the show. The restaurant serves everything from lo mein and Singapore-style noodles to delicious dan dan noodles. Roy Choi's best friend is an indelible mashup of bodega, bar, and restaurant. All of Chef Roy's greatest hits and more are featured from his famous LA food truck. And now we come to my favorite part of Park MGM, Italy. Italy is the largest Italian marketplace with restaurants in the world and has arrived in Las Vegas. Italy is comprised of more than a dozen authentic Italian eateries and hundreds of high-quality products. You'll have the opportunity to eat, shop, and learn your way through one of the greatest cuisines in the world, all under a single roof. Italy comprises over 40,000 square feet, and it is located right at the Strip entrance to Park MGM. Italy was founded by Italian businessman Oscar Farinetti, and there are locations throughout the world. Italy is truly an immersive Italian marketplace where customers are invited to live the Italy mantra, eat, shop, and learn. It features many cafes, to-go counters, 2 sit-down restaurants, and vendors of sustainable, high-quality products. There are so many food and drink options at Italy that it's impossible to go through them without making this video way too long. In fact, I may do a future video covering just Italy. Let me know in the comments section if this is something that you'd be interested in. What I really like about Italy is that it's more than just a group of restaurants and stores. There are classes and events held throughout the year where you can learn about Italian cooking, food, and wine. Some of the classes and events include cannoli and vino, crafting the perfect cannoli and sipping vino. There's also Sip and Savor, which talks about dessert wines. There truly is something for everyone at Italy. You'll find plenty of seating at Italy, but be prepared during dinner it can get quite crowded. In addition to food and wine, Italy has a large selection of desserts. Here you'll find everything from cookies, cakes, pastries, cannolis, and more. In addition to the restaurants, there's a large retail area in Italy. Here you can purchase genuine Italian products to take home: cookies, olive oils, pastas, and more. As you can see, Italy has a lot to offer, and it's definitely worth a visit on your next trip to Las Vegas. Other venues on the casino floor are On the Record. This 11,000 square foot venue embodies a signature modern speakeasy atmosphere, as well as a world-class cocktail program. House of Gaga features Lady Gaga album-related merchandise and accessories. The venue is an ever-changing experience featuring Lady Gaga's most iconic fashion pieces. At Dolby Live, you'll never far from the magic in one of the theater's 5,200 seats. The venue features concerts, sports, award shows, conventions, and more. That takes care of the casino floor. Now let's look at some other venues. Located at the lobby is Primrose. At Primrose, you can enjoy all-you-can-drink sparkling rosé and brunch every day until 2 p.m. The restaurant is open daily from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Located near the convention space is Starbucks. This is actually a very large Starbucks and has a very good variety. It is open daily from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Retail at Park MGM includes shop. Here you'll find travel essentials, snacks, spirits, wines, cold beverages, and groceries. Shop is located in the lobby. Last but certainly not least, we come to the pool deck. The Park MGM pool deck features 3 separate pools. The scene is definitely more low-key than many of the other hotel pools in Las Vegas, but I think that works to their advantage. It's really a great place to get away and relax and soak up some sun. The East Pool is more exclusive with a VIP section and a dedicated lounge bar. The pool is lined with lounge chairs and green and white umbrellas. The North Pool is the largest of the 3 pools, and it is the best one for socializing. There are in-water lounge chairs and private cabanas. And finally, there's the South Pool. This pool is square-shaped as opposed to the 2 rectangular ones. Lounge chairs are available free of charge, but get here early, they do fill up quickly. Reserved seating is also available for purchase. In addition to the 3 pools, there is a hot tub available. It is located by the South Pool. As I mentioned, there's reserved lounge chairs for rent, as well as 12 cabanas. If you're looking for cocktails, head over to the Veranda Bar. You can order a variety of different cocktails, wines, beers, as well as mix and match craft beer buckets. The pool is open daily from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Park MGM is also home to a tram station. It is a little bit of a walk though. Head past the convention center and up the escalator. The tram connects both Park MGM and Aria to Bellagio with a stop at Crystals. The tram runs every day and is free of charge. Well, it's about time to wrap the video up. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.